The key to the success of the Salinas Gateway Senior Apartments was involving everybody early on in a process we called integrated design. From the start of when we used really early models, everybody involved had feedback early on in the process, and this allowed us to incorporate many really creative, sustainable features.
What makes me really love my job is when I get to work on a project like Salinas Gateway for First Community Housing, because of the team's commitment, because of the type of project it is, because of the type of tenants who are there who will really benefit from the work that this team and the commitment that First Community Housing has made. It's a very collaborative and open dialogue. Their minimum goal is to achieve a LEED Platinum certification, and the team that First Community Housing works with has already made that commitment. What First Community Housing has done is not rest on the baseline: better indoor air quality, better access to public transit because of where their sites are located. Green building is just a fundamental part of the values of this company, so it's a pleasure to work with the client that has that as part of their value system.
I think that integrative design process actually started with the acquisition of the property. First Community Housing was a great partner. We got to know them through what they demonstrated to us that they had done in other communities. It's so much more important to be able to sit down with the developer from the very beginning and take a look at what the city policies are, what the city goals are.
Our priorities when we build a sustainable property are the health and safety of our tenants and staff, and the environment, the impact on the environment. One of the really cool things about working on an integrated design team is the amount of collaboration, and that we're able to take what we've learned and apply it in other areas, and it's really helped our vendors grow their businesses as well as had an impact on the wider sustainable world.
It's given us a reputation in our industry, the electrical construction design industry, that we've achieved several platinum projects. It's definitely helped our reputation with up-and-coming developers that are interested in doing LEED projects.
Rabobank's Community Development Finance Group provides affordable housing through various structures. We have employees that live, work, and are involved in the community. And I think that the partnership with First Community Housing was really a win-win situation.
Working on a project with First Community Housing is inspiring. Everybody who's on the project is focused on green building, sustainability, energy efficiency, and achieving the highest performance building possible.
As the general contractor, you're not looked at as the enemy. You're part of the team. They bring you in early. They treat you with respect. The architect works with you.
Well, I like working on a First Community job because the team has worked together before. The architect, the engineers, the owners, it's always the same people. You can come to a meeting, questions can be asked, and you actually get answers.
Been working with First Community Housing for almost 20 years. Working with the same consultants, you're able to anticipate how they work. The more you understand the parts and the construction techniques that go into the project, the more you're able to anticipate the final design solutions. After 20 years, it's become more than just a team, it's sort of a family. It personalizes the whole project. You tend to want to really do a second effort on a First Community project because you're working with basically people who have become pretty close friends.